Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add a profile to your close friends list on the Instagram app using your PC, following the newest update. This feature lets you share stories exclusively with a select group, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, the process is very similar and straightforward. Next, navigate to the profile of the person you want to add. You can do this by typing their username in the search bar at the top. Once you find their account, click on it to open their profile page. Now, look for the following button right under their profile name and bio. This button indicates that you already follow this person. Click on Following to open a menu with several options. From the menu, find and select Add to Close Friends. This will immediately add their profile to your close friends list, allowing you to share special stories or posts just with them. It's really that simple. By customizing your close friends, you can have more control over who sees your private content, while keeping your regular followers separate. Remember, adding a profile to close friends on the PC app is just as quick as on your mobile device now, thanks to Instagram's latest update. This way, managing your privacy and exclusive sharing is easier no matter which device you're on. Give it a try and enjoy sharing those moments with your closest circle. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Instagram tips.